We are going to find the sum of this AP up to 10 terms. The first term is 2. Difference is going to be your second term minus the first term, that is 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Number of terms is given, n is equal to 10. Now you have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to substitute all the values in this formula and find the sum up to 10 terms. Now n value is 10, substitute 10 by 2 into your a value is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into your d value, that is 5. So we have 5 into 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. 5 into 4 plus 45 is 49. 49 into 5 is 245. So the sum of that given AP up to 10 term is 245. We have to find the sum up to 12 terms. A value is minus 37, that is the first term. D value is your second term, that is minus 33, minus the first term, that is minus 37. So we are going to have minus 33 plus 37, that is going to be 4. N is number of terms. We are going to find sum up to 12 terms, so n value is 12. Now we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to substitute the values and find the sum up to 12 terms. N value is 12, so we have 12 by 2 into your a value, which is minus 37, plus 12 minus 1 into your d value, that is 4. So 12 by 2 is 6. 2 into minus 37 is 7 2s are 14, carry 1, it is minus 74, plus 11 into 4. So we have 6 into minus 74 plus 44, that is 6 into minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30. So the answer is minus 180. Sum up to 12 term is minus 180. Now we are going to find sum up to 100 terms. So n value is 100. A value is the first term there, which is 0.6. D value is your second term, that is 1.7, minus your first term, that is 0.6. So we have 1.1. Now formula to find sum up to n terms is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to substitute the values. We are going to find sum up to n 100 terms. N value is 100. So it is 100 by 2 into 2 into your a value, which is 0.6, plus 100 minus 1 into d value, that is 1.1. So we are going to have 50 into 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So we will have 50 into 99 into 1.1 is 99. When you add, you will get 1089. So there is 1 point after the one number after decimal point, so it is 108.9. 108.9 plus that 1.2. When you add 1.2, you will get 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, so you will have 110.1. 50 into 110.1. When you multiply this by 50, 1 5 is 5, 0, 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. There is one number after the decimal point, so the answer is going to be 5505. Sum up to 100 terms is 5505. In this question we are going to find sum up to 11 terms. So our n value is 11. A value is the first term, that is 1 by 15. D value is your second term minus the first term. Now you know that the LCM of 12 and 15, if you don't know, I will just tell you how to do. So when you divide by 2, you will have 6 and 15. Then again by 2, you will have 3 and 15. Then again by 3, 1 comma 5. Then again by 5, 1 comma 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. The LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. 12 5s are 60, so multiply the numerator also by 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 15 into 4 is 60, so multiply the numerator also by 4, so you will have 4. Now your D value is going to be 1 by 60. Now the formula to find sum up to n terms is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We are going to substitute the values and find the answer. We are going to find sum up to 11 terms. So 11 by 2 into 2 into your A value, that is 1 by 15, plus 11 minus 1 into your D value, that is 1 by 60. So sum up to 11 terms is going to be 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 will be 2 by 15, plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60, that 0 and 0 will get cancelled, so we will have 1 by 6. We will have 11 by 2 into, then when you take LCM of 6 and 15, 2 times 3 comma 15, then 3 times it is 1 comma 5, then 5 times 1 comma 1, so the LCM is 30. 15 into 2 is 30, so multiply numerator by 2, then you will get 4. 6 5s are 30, so multiply the numerator by 5, so 1 into 5 is 5. So you are going to get 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. That is 99 by, or you can cancel, this will become 3 and this will become 10. So the answer is going to be 11 3s are 33, 2 into 10 is 20. So the sum up to 11 terms is 33 by 20.